How to put ebooks on Gumroad. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Gumroad dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select products. After selecting products, you're going to tap on new product in the top right-hand corner. And from here, you can input your ebook name. So for example, I'll just be calling it test ebook. After entering the name, you're going to select ebook. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to input the price that you'd like to sell the ebook for. So for this example, I'll be selling it for $60. Then we're going to tap on customize in the top right hand corner. After selecting customize, from here you could add a quick description about your ebook, or you could choose to upload, for example, a video. You can upload audio. There are numerous things that you can add to your description. Then you're going to scroll down, and from here you can see the free URL that you'll be given for this particular product. If it is a case that you would like to edit it in any way, you can do that. Then you're going to add in the cover of your ebook by selecting upload images. Then you can select computer files, and we're going to be adding it. So it is this one, the PNG, and you're going to see a preview of how it looks. Then we'll scroll down a bit, and this is where you will be able to add your call to action. You could also add a summary, and if you'd like to add any additional details, for example, the amount of pages that are in your ebook and additional details, you can do that. And by scrolling down, you can see the price. Then if it has different variations or versions, you can add them right there, and you can also edit the different settings. Once you're finished doing that, what you're going to do next is you're going to tap on content from the top left-hand corner of the navigation bar. After selecting content, this is where you'll be able to input your ebook pages. To add the pages, you're going to tap on insert. Once you have selected insert, what I want you to do. To add the pages, you're going to tap on the icon right beside insert, which is upload files. And we're just going to select computer files, and I'm going to be selecting the PDF, which is the pages that we had created. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on publish and continue in the top right hand corner. Now after selecting publish and continue, from here you will now be able to share your ebook and start making some money. So you could tap on copy URL, and you'll be able to start sharing it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.